Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Thursday, October 10th, 2024, and if you're looking for the latest Forex news and a fresh forecast to guide you through the rest of the day, you're in the right place. Let's dive into what's moving the currency markets right now. Starting with the big news of the day, the US dollar has been flexing its strength again. After this morning's solid jobless claims report, which showed fewer Americans are filing for unemployment, the USD surged against the euro and the Japanese yen. That's putting the EUR/USD pair under a lot of pressure, pushing it below the 1.05 level as traders weigh the possibility of another rate hike by the Federal Reserve. This comes after a roller coaster week, where we've seen mixed signals from central banks around the world. The European Central Bank is taking a more cautious approach, with inflation cooling down in key Eurozone economies. On the flip side, the Bank of Japan remains committed to its ultra-loose monetary policy, keeping the yen on the back foot. So what does this mean for the rest of the day? For the EUR/USD, keep an eye on the 1.0480 support level. If the pair breaks below that, we could see more selling pressure. On the other hand, USDJPY continues to ride higher, testing the 150 resistance level. A break above that could open the door for even bigger gains, but be cautious, we're nearing levels where the Bank of Japan might step in. Now let's move on to the British pound. It's been a rough day for GBPUSD as well. Despite better than expected GDP numbers out of the UK this morning, the pair remains under pressure thanks to the dollar's momentum. Traders are watching the 1.20 level very closely. If we see a sustained drop below that, it could signal more downside ahead. Right now, the pair is hovering around 1.2020, and if we get any more hawkish comments from Fed officials later today, it could push the pound even lower. So, what's the play here? For those of you who are short-term traders, there might be some opportunities to capitalize on these quick moves, especially in the EUR/USD and USDJPY pairs. But remember, volatility is high, and it's important to manage your risk carefully. Set your stop losses and don't chase the market. And for the longer-term traders, we're still in a strong dollar environment. The Fed's policy outlook remains hawkish, and until we see a real shift in that narrative, dollar strength could persist. Alright folks, that's your Forex update for October 10th. Make sure to stay tuned for any breaking news that could shake up the markets later today. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more daily insights. Thanks for watching, and as always, trade smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next video.